Okay, so right now I'm going to go down, I'm going to set my reference number with my carriage on the ground. That reference number tells me how much line I have in the air. It's simply a reference number to keep the operator so that he knows how much line he's picking up. So I zero it on the ground. Now I'm going to pick it up. You can see how the number rises. So that's just a reference number. Down here we have line tensions. So these line tensions will rise from green up to orange up to red, depending on how hard the guy's pulling on the line. Over here I've got interlock. You just simply turn the interlock on or off with a simple push of a button. So another thing that I need to do here is with my carriage in on the landing, I will zero right my reference number, and then I will also zero my go-to number. So now everything's zeroed out. I know exactly where my lines are, and I know where my go-to is, and I can start setting. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send the carriage to the back, and I'm going to build myself a map. So I have up to 15 different set points for the mapping feature, which keeps the carriage at an exact contour of the ground. So now what I want to do is I want to lower my carriage, pick up a turn, and I have up to 15 different set points here. So I will pick up my turn. As soon as I know it's off the ground back there, I will hit a set point. And I will pull my turn in. As soon as I want to raise or lower the skyline, I will hit another set point. It's going to start creating a map for the tension of the line, keeping the turns perfectly tails on the ground. So we don't ever want to do full suspension out here. So anywhere where I want to lower my skyline and hit another set point, right here with the click of a button on the joystick. So now I will lower it down a little ways and hit another set point. Every time I hit a set point, it changes the contour of the map. Okay, so now that I've landed my turn, I have my map built. I can simply turn on the map here in the corner, and my carriage will pick up. This is the spot exactly where your carriage is at. So now I can simply send the carriage out. I do not have to control my skyline anymore. Is run the main line, the skid line. All I have to do is grab logs and let go of logs. So I can turn my mapping on, hit my go-to button, and the carriage goes right back to the exact spot all by itself. Once I've landed a turn, I have set my go-to number to 159. Again, that's just a reference number, the distance out to where I'm grabbing my logs. So once I've set my reference number, then I can simply push one button and the carriage will go back to that exact same spot where I was grabbing logs from the first time. And again, the operator doesn't have to do anything. I'm not touching a single button, a single pedal, a single anything. Once the carriage glides to a spot, I take control. Now my reference number is changed. So I simply hit another set button right here. It sets the spot again. Turn my mapping on. Carriage picks up. And in we come. Skyline maintains the exact mapping, which raises and lowers the carriage with whatever the contour of the ground is. Once I bring my turn in, set it down, turn the map on, and hit my go-to button. I can simply push a button, go to all my adjustment pages. I can adjust all the creep speeds, the max auto speeds, anything I want to do with my drums. I can set the pressure override for my winches, for my mainline, my skyline, my interlock, and my haulback. So right now my skyline is picking up a little faster than I would like it to. I simply go in here, lower the value. Now it will pick up a lot smoother. Everything's right at the touch of your fingers.